I forgot to turn on the video for this, so I'm just going to do you a very quick update on where we are. This is the pound yen. I'll just enlarge that a second because that is rather small. And I actually made a mistake. I made two mistakes. I got in here, and then pressed a little higher, and then just nicked my stop. I stupidly put my stop too close. Then I accidentally got in here instead of a pullback. I wanted to get a pullback to here. And anyway, long and short it is, I'm 16 plus up at the moment. Got this move in the late Euro session. I was teaching when this happened, so otherwise I would have taken that. So it's doing okay. The rest of the market is pretty awful at the moment. This is one of the few things, if not the only market I can see moving. The US dollar yen static, dollar pairs static, euro static, indices really not doing much at all, and the oil is static as well. Oil's beginning to pick up, but not a great chart. It's a 15-minute chart, by the way. So all I'm going to do is sit tight with that one. Currently getting close to 20 points up, and see how we go. My target is up here. You can see the line up there. So that blue line is my entry. That is my current stop, and this is my current exit. The reason why I put the exit up there is because it's fibs and it's close to the R2. And I think if we start holding here, it's got the potential to bust up. Because if you look at what we've done all week, again, let me scale back on this. What we've essentially done on this instrument is we ground up on Monday and then started to form a base here. Pushed up, sold off, pushed up, sold off, got hesitant. So basically this is a big box where these lows of the boxes have got bought, the highs of the boxes have got sold, and now we could potentially come out of the box. If we do come out of that box, then I would suggest the distance we can go is the same as that distance, which could take us, that's a little too aggressive, but 186 could be hit. Right, so that's the plan. Literally as I speak, I still can't see any other real significant moves in the market. The Dow is flat as a pancake. US dollar yen is not doing anything. This is the only other thing that's doing anything, and that's the FTSE. It's a very similar story with the FTSE. Only this time the box is slightly different, but nonetheless we're close to this with the potential to do 7,000, if not today. I think it's unlikely we do it today. In fact, it's highly unlikely we do it today. Not impossible, but highly unlikely. I think into next week we should hit 7,000 if this all pans out. But I have to say the volumes are pretty pathetic, so unless we really start to get cranked up, I may have to lower my sights. Right, thanks for listening. I will pause the video and pick it up later. Yeah, it's doing nicely. This was always going to break out sometime, so I should be a lot more points up there if I hadn't messed up on my entry, and I needed to keep it out of trouble. For some reason I was very conservative and just got it nicked anyway. So I mean, my first entry was down here somewhere. Yeah, I got to stop the break even here, but this is what I expected earlier in the week. But obviously, waited till we got all the data out of the way. I don't think there's any more data out of the way now. And the rest of the markets are incredibly quiet. The US dollar yen has hardly moved. DAX is slowly grinding up. The Dow is absolutely pathetic. And I suspect oil's 20 points above, 49.22. A lot of resistance. This is the trouble. This is the weekly pivot which we've struggled with. We've broken through it once, bounced off it here, broken through it here, sold it here, and sold it here. So close above this, and bingo, we could get 185 and into the close. If they really get their hands on it, it could thrust up, get close to these levels. Being a Friday, I'm actually concerned overall about the low volume in this market. This is generally not a day where I like to load up, unless of course the market really thinks this is going to run next week, and then we'll load up ahead of the weekend and hold, which is, you know, it happens. You know, I have seen some really tasty moves on a Friday, but it's a lower probability for a Friday. It's a lower probability for a run. Yeah, I'm just going to leave this and see. I'm sitting on, there's my entry and my stop. We're definitely going to see some profit taking here. Now it's a question of whether they hover around it, dip around it, hold it, and then go is debatable. I mean, at the moment, Dow is picking up a few points. So here we go. The US dollar yen, I think it's moved 5 points in the last hour. It really is absolutely pathetic. This is one reason why I actually thought the pound yen would hit here and run here. I was prepared to. I was actually thinking that, okay, might do a double bottom here yesterday and run, but no, they had to drag it right the way down to the weekly support and then shift it up. Anyway, to cut a long story short, because I'm rambling and talking, this video is going to become too long again. I'm just going to sit tight and then see where we are around the 7, 8, 9 o'clock UK time, and see if this is a real runner or not. I mean, to me, the daily's got, yeah, see you Monday. To me, the daily's got the potential to do 187, 190. Question is, when is it going to do it? Alright, that's it for me. I'm going to sit tight. We're right at yesterday's open and Wednesday's close. That weekly pivot. Alright, I'll stop the video and run this up later. Cheers everybody. Okay, I'm just going to wrap up this video. I actually took it off. You know, it is Friday. There's my limit order. Got hit. So I was 69 points at that stage when I took this screen grab, and then ended up with let me see, another 18 points. So that took me up to 78 points. So not bad, not bad. I should have had more because I did get in here and then mess my stop up. Okay, but anyway, I did get that slice as well. So overall, I'm close to 100 points minus a little stop out. Not bad. Okay, nothing, hardly anything else in the market is moving. So I think the markets are pricing in a rate rise for the UK sooner rather than later. But who cares? As long as, you know, if you just pick up these lows, it's a good trending market. Even this 15-minute chart shows some good thrusts to the upside. I just saw a few more pullbacks than I thought, and I just waited till all the data's out and then jumped on before the weekend. So that's a really good sign for next week. I would definitely be looking for any dips in this next week, but I'll talk about that the weekend. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to come join the room and see what we're looking at, see how we mark these charts up and plan our day, plan the week, then just drop me a line and get yourself in the room and have a free trial and just see what we get up to. Alright, enjoy yourselves, happy trading, and bye for now.